Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Stay with me, let me show you how I made this delicious croissant. And here are all the ingredients I'll be using. I have some all-purpose flour here, milk, sugar, butter, yeast, salt and nutmeg for some flavor, but you can skip that. I also have some water here. I'll leave all the ingredients in my description box below. I will be mixing and kneading this with my stand mixer, but you can also use your hand to do that. I have different videos where I used my hand to mix and knead my doughs. So I'll start by adding flour and the all other ingredients one after the other. Just keep watching. After adding all the ingredients, I'll then knead until the dough becomes soft, and this will take about 12 to 15 minutes. After kneading, I'll drop few drops of oil into the bowl to prevent it from sticking to the bowl when it is proving or rising. Now I'll cover the bowl, keep it in a warm place to sit for about 1 hour before we continue. 1 hour later, our dough is ready for the next step. Sorry, I had to cover it with another thing to keep it warmer. You can also leave your dough for more than 1 hour. You can leave it for up to 2 hours, but 1 hour is okay for me. Next, I'll divide the dough into about 5 or 6. Next, I'll roll each one into circular or square shape and then place butter on it. And I'll continue this way until I get to the last one. After buttering all the dough, I'll then cover it and place in my refrigerator for at least 1 hour. You can keep this as long as you want to. After 1 hour, I'll floor my working space, bring out the dough, and then we roll it again and again and again. After rolling, we cut and form the croissant or croissant shape before baking. I sprinkled some flour on it to make it easier for me to roll and cut. I'm going to cover it again for another 30 to 40 minutes for second proofing. 30 minutes later, it is time to bake our croissant. But before that, I'm going to egg wash it so that we can get that beautiful and golden color. And here I'm using just one egg to egg wash it. Next, I'll take this into my oven and bake for about 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Ladies and gentlemen, our croissant or croissant is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up Our croissant came out very lovely, very delicious. It is soft in the inside and crunchy on the outside. I hope you now know how to make this and you'll be giving it a try. It also tastes very buttery and delicious. You would want to be making this every time. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.